Welcome, traders. Listen, this is a strategy session. Most people in my Discord understand this, but 68,252. We may be looking at this as if 68,000 was going to break right now. I want to warn you. Let me show you. It is 6 a.m. New York City time. We are in the middle of the lull, the time between overnight dumping and AM pumping, if any. So you don't want to get stuck in a short here. I had a quick one. I closed it, and I want to share with you. Let's look at the 6 hour. It only goes up and down. We dumped all night. I don't think Michael Saylor did a buy last night. It's urgent you know this information. If that happened and he did not do a buy, or if he made a buy and it wasn't strong enough to hit the almighty 60,000, we are going to be going down this week. The weather will be short. Okay, we'll be shorting on Bitunex. We'll be shorting inside my Discord group. So let's take a further look in the moment now at 6 a.m. New York City time. What do we see? The 6 hour is going from strong red. The bigger the candle, the stronger the move. The smaller the candle, the weaker the move. A red candle should have a wick going up. No, sorry. A red candle should have a wick going down. A green candle should have a wick going up. There is something known as the AM pump time. In Discord, I want you to come to OTEC Strategies and scroll up here, right after you see the guy getting crushed by the bus. That could be you getting liquidated today. You will see critical timelines to watch out for. Bitcoin follows this behavior. Now, normally we would think this is really for my people who know how to follow me and everything else. Look, all right, these numbers here, when you think Bitcoin is going to break, do not let that fool you at this moment. I usually don't do these flash updates for the public because if you're not my Discord, you didn't have my consultation, you may not know exactly what I'm talking about because we don't use technical analysis. Let me take you back to the chart. So there are certain times when Bitcoin pumps and dumps. These are known witching hours. The overnight, it's a witching hour. In the AM, we call it pump time. So look what's happening. Look at the candles. Now, I teach you how to I don't sign up or use BitMEX. I trade on Bitunex, this one. BitMEX, if you try to sign up, they won't even let you if you're in the United States. Bitunex is fine. Look at the number climbing up. We have moved up from the coordinate that I taught. Hold on. I don't know what just happened. Oh, I just blew up my chart. Well, this is the problem with this dumb BitMEX chart. Okay, every time you got to set it up. Not Bitunex. Okay, where we trade. Now, you can use the same if you go to futures. When you log in and you're wondering which futures do you go to to BTC because it covers everything. Look, everything else is right here. You even have gold and silver's crashing under TradeFi. You have gold and silver. Look for it. You'll find it. There's NVIDIA. There's Circle. There's stocks here that you can leverage trade. Apple, Amazon. Most of you didn't even know that. But back to the flash scenario. I don't want you shorting a local bottom right now. Look at the work I have to do as we speak. I want to give you this quick lesson. All right. The numbers look like, hey, I want to short. We are breaking the coordinates. We're down to the 226. And now as you look at it, look at the number. We're already up to 339. Okay. It's going to climb. It's AM pump time. This is a normal thing that happens all the time. And look. From overnight dumping yesterday, 6 hours, every 4 of these is a whole day. We dumped all day yesterday. It looks like Michael Saylor did not buy. Again, this is my Bitcoin flash update, how to trade this right now in the moment. I want to get this up quickly. Look, here comes the Green Army. See here, we caught the entire dump yesterday. I just warned them that the Green Army is trying to appear. Okay, they're attacking the Red Army. You can see here. They are doing a flank maneuver. I know it looks like a game, right? Because I've simplified it for everyone. Red Army versus the Green Army. The bigger the candle, the stronger the move. The smaller the candle, the weaker the move. This could be temporary. Dropped a baby trade in just now. We're going to grab 20%. I only threw like $500 in there right now. I hate to go long, but why not, right? So look, so we longed it right here. Closed it right there. So now let's take a good look. So we just warned everybody, do not short here. When you seen that 226, don't short it. I know you attempted, but look, the overnight shorting is ending. Look at the 1 hour. Here they come. There we have chop. Okay, they tried previously, they failed. We have chop. Take a closer look. This is our only candle we have in the 1 hour, and it has a tail. It's a sign of weakness. So in the moment, okay, look, the green is trying. Okay, I would use extreme caution here. Now, what's holding this market up for the last months has been Michael Saylor doing a buy on, I don't know if 68,000 is going to make it, doing a buy on Sunday nights, and the price spiking up like a big, massive green bar. None of us seen it. It didn't happen. It didn't happen. So he has been buying an average of 8,000 Bitcoin a week. Okay? Without that buying pressure, this makes for epic shorting. Did you know that the average trader makes way more money, way faster, shorting than going long? Most people don't like to short. We do both. I guess you could say we go both ways. Now, if you click show more, there's links below this video. I wanted to give you a little insight on what's happening this morning. Stock markets are down. We are at war. Risk assets are off. We don't care about any of that. We read the candles. The bigger the candle, the bigger the move. We could see that the red move from the overnight is slowing temporarily, but that's because the time of morning. We are slipping into a time zone right now that's like the Bermuda Triangle. It happens between 6:30 a.m. and 7:30 a.m. New York City time. Again, the first link below, take you to my Discord. It's all linked here, right? Now, it is absolutely critical that you know about these times. The low is the in-between. And this candle represents confusion. It's got a wick going up and down, and it's a tiny green candle. But yet, we are accelerating forward. We're up to the 580s. We might see 69. They might try to pump it to 70. I didn't want anyone to short the bottom. I needed you to know what's happening here. Look at this pump. If you had tried to short the coordinates now and you didn't have this information, you would be underwater. Join the team. Join us inside. Last night you could see I said don't short the bottom. Let the chart set up again. All right? Now, you're going to land here in the non-trading room. Okay? Say hello so we know you're real. Now, all the people in gold are trading legends. That means they had my consultation. They paid for it. It's here in the Oracle link room or below. You can see right here. Learn to trade Oracle consultation. They have locked access. They have access to locked rooms like the Legends room. Okay, this is the ongoing help room after our session together. The Legend consultation assets, private recorded videos and updates. But everyone for free, you have access to the daily trade updates. This is where I'm telling you in real time exactly what to do, what to expect, what's going to happen. This is everything. And then, well, if you ever decide to have a consultation, you could join the Legends, but you can mingle with these professional traders here in the non-trading room. You can have access to almost everything, testimonials, all of this. So look at this once again. When we started, we were in the low 200s over the 68,000. People wanted to short. People wanted to short. I needed to make this flash update, okay, to try to save people. Let me get this up. I would read you testimonials and everything, but come inside, click the menu that says Oracle Testimonials, and take a look at what's going on. I do not think we are going to hear a tweet, and you can put in the comments if I'm wrong, from Michael Saylor this morning saying he bought Bitcoin. Usually it happens around 9 a.m. for when the stock market opens. Okay, he should have been flushed with money, okay, from selling all that stretch. I have no opinion on that. We're not here to talk about that. But what I want to tell you is, if he did not buy, that greatly weakens the buying pressure. But we trade in the moment, so nothing else matters. Before I let you go, let's do one more check. And you'll learn this in my Discord. The 6 hour is the ocean. The 1 hour are the waves. We have chop for the last 4 hours. So it's indecisive right now. AM pumps should feed some buying excitement. If we could get closer to 69, 70, we'll feel like the new 100,000 because people forget. Don't forget. Make sure you're on the inside. And I will do more of these flash updates on how to trade this in the moment. Have a great day, everyone.